For today's YouTube video, we're going to do a comparison video on color correctors. So first of all, I'm going to go in with moisturizing the under eyes, and I'm going to do that with Bobbi Brown eye cream. What you want to do is massage it under the eyes so we're hydrated and prepped for the color corrector to go on next. Using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color orange, we're going to put it under the eye bags. Because we're doing a comparison video, we're going to use Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector on the other side in the color peach. Using the same tapping motions, we're going to put it underneath the under eyes and blend it out to where we feel we need to. We're also going to go around the mouth and go over any dark areas. Next, using the concealer from Morphe in the colour Macchiato, we're going to use it on one side. For this, I'm going to be using the oval brush to see how it works for concealer, and I actually like it. I like how it layers the product underneath the eye. Then taking your beauty blender just to blend it out. On the other side, we're going to be using the Maybelline Age Rewind in the colour Nude to see how it compares, and again putting it underneath the eye and blending it out with a damp beauty blender. Just going in with the MAC Studio Fix powder and setting that under eye. I wanted to show you the organic foundation serum by Inesa that I use. You can use it underneath the foundation or over the foundation to give yourself a little glow from within. Using a damp beauty blender again, putting that all over the face or in the areas that you want it. And that's it. That's the final look, and you can see there's no difference in the colours, only if you use the same technique it should come out just as even as you can see here. Hope you like this video. If you want to see more comparison videos, like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know. That's all for today. Enjoy the last blooper at the end. Bye.